Hey guys, LazyLlama, welcome back to another video. So basically, hiccups. Today we're gonna be doing some more Black Ops 3 normal TDM. What? Oh yeah, and by the way, since I last played this game, I have prestiged. Yeah. So like, we got more prestige. If you hear like a, it's just me hiccuping because I have the hiccups at the moment. I hate them. They're really annoying. Makes me feel like I'm gonna die. See? Like that. I'm gonna start using the CUDA. Oh, don't ask me why I have silencers on them. Just don't ask me. Okay? Okay? What? Oh, yeah, the shotgun. Go away, hiccups. Oh my god. Oh my god, there's two of them! Okay, I got it. Yep. Look at me go. 0-3. Oh yeah, by the way, my holiday was absolutely amazing. It was really fun. I enjoyed it. It was awesome. Sorry I didn't do any vlogs, but we don't have, my mum doesn't have internet, so yeah. Woo! See that? That just like doubled my, I just half my score. See how swag I am at this? See, pre-fire. Ouch. And yeah, I don't have my Reaper unlocked, so I have to use the Annihilator. It's a great specialist. I love it. It makes me feel great. It makes me feel like I'm finally loved by someone. Joking. Oh my gosh, it's the whole damn family! Jesus! I know exactly where to put, my, over there, because that's what, oh, I seen somebody. Is he in here? Nope, you killed him. Great. Thanks for letting me know. Oh! Why is everyone using shotguns in this? Let's go sniping, because you know, one shot, one kill. I don't actually have shotgun class. That's the thing. Headshot. Pew. That would be funny. That's funny. Is he dead? Yeah! It's okay. It's okay. Move, Jeff! Pew. Oh! Ouch! Poor guy, didn't even... What's on this camo? Oh my god, that... Oh my gosh! Okay, that was the worst snipe I've ever done in my life. I was actually gotten pretty great before with sniping, but just at the moment, I'm just... Why did I not shoot? Oh my god, and he now knows I'm here. Thanks to that. Good one, Jayden. Good one. 4-12. You're so damn good. Oh, he got me right in the nads. This is a terrible game. Absolutely terrible. Why do I even try sometimes? Okay, this is a terrible map for sniping. Why am I even sniping? Ooh, hello. Ooh. Knocked his socks off. Ow! Now, that's actually a pretty good shot. I've never gotten a shot in midair with the Annihilator because it's such a close range sort of gun. It was a terrible game. I think it'll be pretty fun. The people I don't know, because I have half my friends on Skype, so yeah. So if you guys want to do a video and you don't know me, put your Skype into chat down below, because I would like to do a video with you. It would be pretty fun. I don't even know what I'm talking about, because half my subscribers I know, and I already have them on Skype. Woo! Oh. Whoa, Sonny boy, you just got absolutely annihilated. Oh, I seen him. What is he using? Oh, he's using a locust. What do you expect? Die! I think he's dead. I think he's dead, boys. I think he's dead. I hope he's dead. Why do I have to reload every single damn time? I shouldn't have changed my gun. I shouldn't have prestiged my gun. I want to try the HVK. I don't really use this gun. I'm going nil for. Come on, Jayden. I know you can do better than this. That guy's on my team. Why did I even have to think about that? Oh, this gun's really good. Oh my god. Get out, quick! Oh. I like the HVK. I want to use my Weevil, though, because I sort of want to get it upgraded so I can get rapid fire on a Weevil. What? I shot him a few times, you know? I sort of need to change the side on this as well. I'm going terrible, Jayden. Come on. This is the terrible video. Oh no, he's my team. And he's behind me. And I want to snipe, but I can't. I just want to get good game. Got him! Pew pew! Pew pew pew! Pew pew! Pow! Pow! Got him! Pow! 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 Battery KIA! Tow! Pow! Oh! Snap! I'm going good now. That's a main sniping spot in this map. No, don't you dare lag on me. Don't you dare lag on me when I'm doing sort of good. Don't do it. Oh, don't do it. Ooh! War in the donkey! Oh, look at it. Lag. Is it me? Yeah, it's me. I think there's something up with my internet. There's always something up with my internet. Oh, there's someone behind me. No, there's not actually, because I'm dead. Great. Thank you. Thank you for killing me. I enjoyed it. It was great. When I die, it just makes me feel great. Like, honestly. Oh, baby, that was like the room and a half. I got a 2-1 screen like a boss. Yeah, woo. Just in case he was like, you know, someone in there. Could have been. You never know. You never know. At least I got one guy. You know, it's good when you get one guy. Oh my god! Oh, that was the guy. He probably just got a revenge medal for that. Ooh! Slide! Clutchest getaway in the world. Not. I'm joking, I'm joking. Oh, oh. Ooh, got him! Ow. Yeah, I'm going actually. Hey, look, 15, 13, 13, 15. Huh. Oh my gosh, it's the whole damn team! Do you see that? Like, honestly, I swear that the whole bloomin' team just loves running as a pack. They're like, I am a wolf. We are the wolf pack. Ba-da-da-da-da. It's the one and only D-O-double-G. Snoop Dogg, Snoop Dogg. Ba-da-da-da-da. I like sniping. It is really fun. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my... Oh, he's dead. He's dead, everybody! It's fine, it's fine. Oh my god. Oh, he's dead, he's dead, he's dead, he's dead, he's dead. Oh, he's dead, he's dead, he's dead, he's dead already. I'm sorry. Didn't see he was dead. Didn't see... Oh no, no! Reload! Reload! Oh, damn reloads. These reloads, though. Hate them. Hate them. Hate them, hate them. Oh, there's somebody there. Are you killing someone? Did you kill him? You promise? Thank you! Oh. Hey, I'm coming first. Not for long, I won't be though. Yeah, yeah. What? Sit down, son, sit down. That guy's on my team, I didn't even... Don't care with the annihilator, you know, you just shoot at anyone and then they normally die because it's called an annihilator kill. It's my favourite type of kill. Ow! That one hurt. That one hurt a lot. How's he beating? Oh, because he's got 5 assists. Great. When people have assists, it's sort of annoying because they get higher than you, as you can see. I really like doing this. Oh, what a shot. That was an honestly good shot. Okay, that was a good game that round. One more round. Oh, so, okay. He thought he was dead, didn't he?
Yeah, good luck.
Thank you.
Too much good luck.
Oh, okay. Sorry. Jesus. Rude. That was rude. Ha ha ha. Anyone out here? Anyone out here? Anyone over here? Oh, what? That wasn't fair. I sort of want to use the HVK because it was good for me when I was playing Aquarium before.
Yeah, I totally knew where you are.
Shut up. I don't know how to mute them. If anyone knows how to mute them on PC, can you please tell me, because it's sort of annoying. Oh, there's someone behind me. Someone behind me. Ah, never mind, he's right there. Let's go sniping, see if we can snipe, because I don't think you can snipe on this map. There's no good actual sniping spots from here, so... Boom! Pew pew, I got him. Look, I'm going 0-2. That's how bad I am this round. Okay, RPG for the damn win. Let's go back to my CUDA. Where's its camo? It lost its... No, never mind. Why are they not dead? Why are you no dead? What? Oh no, I got 100 because of assists, you know. Yay, I got the kills. I got some kills and I die. Okay, I guess this is a sniping map. Look at me flick that up, like flick it up, 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 wrist. Okay, I didn't see him coming because I was too busy flicking the wrist into the weevil. Like, what? See those skills? Like, okay, thought he was on my team because he was shooting at the guy, but I guess he was shooting at the guy behind him, which was me. Don't laugh at me. Shut up. Oh, I got him. Oh, I got him! I got him! I got him! I got him! What are you laughing at? Edward. Okay, wasn't expecting him. That's my excuse for everything. I was expecting him because he was running around jumping at me like, hi everybody, hi, how are ya? Boom! Oh, I didn't get him. Move! Space head. Oh, I thought I got somewhere. What am I laughing at? Oh, I could have just done bring my annihilator in there. I forgot I had it. Bring it on like a Donkey Kong. What? Why did you change? I was trying to do...
I heard it go off.
Oh, whoops. I just wasted my annihilator.
Yeah, Dickwood. Get into the RPG.
Yeah, let's do it. Whoa, whatever you're talking about. It sounds fun.
The RPG is the most skilled weapon.
I know, right? What is this guy talking about? This is like the most randomest guy I've ever heard on this game. He's like, oh yes, the RPG is the most skilled weapon. Got him! Pew! Pew! Oh, pew pew pew! Pew pew! I swear the camos on this always mess up. Like, it's not just me. I swear it's the whole damn bloomin' Call of Duty franchise messes up. Frag! Oh my god!
Don't stand in the door.
Is he there? Is he there? Psst! There he is! I found him! Where's its scope gone? Ah, got one kill at least. Where was its scope? It disappeared. Its scope sort of disappeared, so... Okay, they're all...
Yeah. Who's got the real KRM, bitch?
Me! I did! I did! Ow! I just scratched my nose! I had an itch on my nose, and then I just scratched it. Everyone seems to be in the middle today. It's like the middle is the best. Boom! Oh, the pre-fire! The pre...
Good game.
Shut up. Just shut up. Shut up.
You scared the shit out of me, dude.
Okay, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this.
I just killed 2 people with the shotgun, and then you popped up behind me. I can't be blamed for trying to shoot you.
Okay, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stop interrupting!
Shooting anything I see. Then I look at your name, alright? You're lucky I didn't shoot you twice.
Okay, let's just have a conversation. Yeah. Come on, shut up. Okay, guys, I hope you guys did enjoy this video of Black Ops. Sorry about that guy interrupting. He was a very rude. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed, drop a like down below. I hope you guys did enjoy. And yeah, so if you guys want to see more of this, check out the Black Ops playlist. I'll leave it in the description. I'll leave my friends in the description. And yeah, so... And I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe to join the Llama Squad. Bye-bye!